Afternoon, children. Good afternoon. Welcome back. Good afternoon. Okay, children. So last period we have started with our pie chart. We prepared its table, isn't it? Finding central angle. How can we find central angle for a particular item? The value of yes. Yes.
And ma'am, the value and divided by its
value of that item divided by total of values
value into 360.
Into 360. Okay, so now we are going to draw pie chart. All of you take your compass, fix your pencil on it. Protractor also we need. It is with you now in your instrument box. Compass and compass, protractor and scale. Everything will be there in your. Okay. Okay. So let us begin. First of all, we will draw a circle with any radius. You can choose any radius. Okay. Either 2 or 3 centimeter. Don't choose small circle. Okay. More than 3.
Ma'am, you didn't share the board. And you didn't share the board.
You can't see?
No, ma'am.
Okay. 1 second. 1 second. 1 second. I will do it now. Okay. Okay. Draw any circle. Draw a circle with any appropriate radius. Choose 3, radius 3. You can choose that. Okay.
Ma'am, I have drawn a circle without, ma'am, like approximate value.
No problem. We need any a circle, only that. And mark its center also. We need its center. Okay. Then using your scale, you can draw a radius of the given circle. Radius.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Elsa is waiting in the room.
I admitted.
Can you let her in?
I admitted. Okay. So we have drawn a circle of any radius and draw one radius. Okay. Now, what is the first degree measure for ordinary bread? First degree measure is
160.
160. Now, take your protractor. Take your protractor. Take your protractor. Fix your protractor's center and the center of the circle coincides. Okay. Not moving. See, this is the center of the protractor. Make center of the protractor and center of the circle coincide, and the line of protractor coincide with the radius that we have drawn. Okay. Did you fix it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, first degree measure is 160. So you can take 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 90, 100. How much it is? 160 or 60? 160. Up to 160 we can take. 160. 140, 150, 160. Okay. Not movie. The tracker is not moving. Okay. So this is 160 degree. Mark it. 160 degree. And then again from that line, fix the center of protractor and circle to coincide. Fix the center of the protractor to coincide with the center of the circle. And radius is the new radius formed. The line of the protractor coincide with the new radius formed. Clear, children? What do you have to do? Fix the center of protractor to coincide with the center, and line coincide with the new radius we have drawn. Okay. You can turn your book, but I can't turn the board now. So that's why I put this protractor upside down. You can turn your books. Now, what is the next degree measure? Next degree measure is
40 degree. 40 degree.
40. For fruit bread, it is 40. So you can take 30, 40 here. Okay. Draw that line. Here, this line's coming outside the circle, but you no need to draw outside the circle. This board, we can't rub this lines which comes outside the circle. So you no need to draw it outside the circle. Your lines, you can draw only radii, okay? So that is 40. Mark that 40 degree. 40 degree. Okay. Now again, we can take our tractor. Fix the center of the circle and center of the protractor coincide with the center of the circle, and the new radii coincide with the line of protractor. And third angle, that's for cake, it is
80 degree.
80 degree. So 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Draw that. This is 80 degree. 80 degree. Again, fix center of protractor coinciding with the center of the circle, and line of the protractor coincide with the new radius that we have already drawn. Then cake is over. Fruit bread, no, after cake it is biscuits. Biscuits angle is
60 degree.
60. So choose 60 degree. And the remaining others 20. If you measured all other 160, 40, 80, 60 correctly, you can check the small angle will be 20. All of you check whether you got correctly 20.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. If your other measurements are correct, that final automatically will come as 20. For this problem only, last one will come automatically. Now you can shade and give the name of the items. Ordinary bread, this is ordinary. Ordinary bread, then fruit bread. Fruit bread, then cake, biscuits, 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 and here others. You can give different shadings. Different that you, as per your choice, you can give different shadings. If a degree measure is not seen here, we can write 160 degree. This is 20 degree, 60 degree, 80 degree. This is 40 degree. Over, children?
Yes.
Okay, shall we draw one more? All of you, is it clear? Need to explain again, or otherwise can I move to the,
No, ma'am.
can we draw next another by chart?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next question. Draw a pie chart for the following data. Draw a pie chart for the following data.
Ma'am, it takes so much time to draw one pie chart.
But you have to do fastly because for exam you won't get more time to draw a pie chart. Draw a pie chart for the following data. Data is time spent by a child during a day. The time spent by a child during a day. Time spent by a child during a day.
And for this question also we have to draw the box like how we did for the last question.
Yes. Question is sleep, school, homework, play, others. Yes. 8 hours, 6 hours, 6 hours, homework 4 hours, playing 4 hours, others 2 hours. Total, find total. 24 per day, no. That is 24 hours. Okay.
Ma'am, can you please stop the screen share?
Why?
Ma'am, there is a glitch appeared and I can't see, ma'am. Can you please? You can do it.
Okay. Now we will find central angles.
Now, okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Hmm?
ma'am, for me, it's still showing Studio 12 has started screen sharing.
Now,
My net is a little bit slow, ma'am.
Ma'am, I can.
because your net is slow, that's why. Okay.
Ma'am,
We
it
will-
came. Ma'am, it came.
Okay. Now we will start finding the central angle for this. Okay. Shall we start? So we have some activities. Activity, time or duration, time or duration you can write. Then central angle. Central angle. Activity, first activity is sleep. First activity, sleep. 8 hours. School. 6 hours. Homework. Are you spending 4 hours for homework? Huh?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, I spent about 30 minutes.
Huh?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, I
after
spent about
after
30
spending
minutes.
2 hours,
2 hours.
ma'am, after spending 2 hours for online class, my eyesight gone.
Hmm.
Ma'am, like
Hmm.
here, like right now, Adilakshmi told she's sitting for 2 hours and then her eyes are paining. But my old school over here, we have to sit around 8 hours straight on the laptop, no break also.
Last year.
I think I
Yes,
have to do
ma'am.
puja for you.
Here classes are very long, ma'am. Like 9 periods continuous between only 1 hour break also.
Hmm.
Yes, ma'am. So hard. And by the end of the day,
Last year you have studied that school. Your old.
Abu Dhabi, UAE.
Okay.
Ma'am,
So
in Abu Dhabi.
you joined here this year only.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Now, how can we start finding central angle? Miss Yad, how we will find using that formula?
Can you show the first slide?
First slide. First slide means it is the question. Yes, this was the question. Draw a pie chart. This was the question. How we will find the first central angle? Parvati, how can we find it?
8 divided by 20.
Wait, Parvati.
8 divided by 24 into 360.
360. 8 divided by 24 into 360. Next is, all of you write those ratios. 6 divided by 24 into 360. 4 divided by 24 into 360. 4 divided by, both are 4 divided by 24 into 360. 2 divided by, this is very easy way of calculation, okay? Right, or you can find 360 by 24 first, then multiply with, what is 360 by 24? Find 360 by 24.
15.
15, it is 15. 24 into 15 is 360 now. Okay. So you can multiply 15 into 8. 15 into 8. 15 into 8 or 8 into 15 we will write. 8 into 15. 6 into 15. 4 into 15. 4 into 15. 2 into 15. Here somewhere you write how you got that 15. Okay. 360 by 24 equal to 15. 15 is common to all the ratios. So we are finding that first, then multiply with, what is 8 into 15?
120.
120. Six into 15.
90.
4 into 15.
60.
30. Now you can start drawing. Take compass.
Ma'am, can I do this question on my own?
Yes. Yes. You can start doing. Children, if anybody want to see how to draw, or otherwise you will do. If you want, I will do one more problem. Anyone needs, please tell me. I will repeat. No?
Can you please say?
Albin is saying something.
Okay, Albin, I will do. Okay. First of all, you draw a circle, with any radius. Draw a circle with any radius. You can choose any radius. Okay. Okay. I didn't mark that center. I didn't mark. Draw a circle with any radius and mark its center. Okay. Mark the center. Then draw any one of the radius. Now, take your protractor and center of the protractor and center of the protractor and center of the this protractor won't work sometime. Center of the protractor and center of the circle must coincide, and the line of the protractor and the radius must coincide. Okay, Alvin, did you keep your protractor and radius coinciding? Alvin? Now, see which one is the first measure? Angle measure 120. Isn't it? No, 120. So take 120 degree. $120. Okay. Now, next angle is 90 degree. So again, fix it here. Then turn the protractor so that the line of the protractor and the radii coincides. Then second angle measure is 90. So from 0, 80, 90. Okay. Now I understood how to draw the lines only inside the circle. Okay. See? Okay. So first one is 120. This is 90. Again, fix it, the center. and line of protractor and radii must coincide. Then next angle measure is 60 degree. 60 degree. 60 degree. This is 60 degree. Again that line from the next is also 60 degree. From that radius we can start. $60. Then last will be 30. You can check whether you are getting the 30 at last. Okay. How many of you got 30 at last correctly?
Ma'am, I got.
Okay, Google. Okay, Vasim. Jonal. Children, you understood how to draw? Okay, good. Okay. Okay. Children, do you understand how to draw and you can shade and give the name for sleep. It's shading is not compulsory. Okay. You can just write sleeping. You will write sleep. Then
Ma'am, attendance, ma'am, attendance.
okay. School. Then homework, play, and other. If it is clear to you, then I will send homeworks. Okay. All of you understood how to represent data using pie chart?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Today I will send homework to do. Harshir, is it okay?
Ma'am, can you screen share once more?
Okay. Attendance, please. Next day we can start. No, some more questions on this. Attendance, Adalakshmi. Aaron present, Aaron? No. Afreen? Aaron, are you present? No. Afreen? Aidihya? Dio? No, Dio absent. Emmanuel, are you present? Emmanuel? Emmanuel?
Ma'am.
Gauri?
Present, ma'am.
And Gobigaram? Harshir? Hiba?
Present, ma'am.
Okay, Hiba, are you present? Ishan? Hiba is not present. No, Hiba is not present. Hishan? No.
Ma'am,
Nasrin?
many people were there, but they left.
Yes, ma'am, present.
Who?
present.
Niva? Okay. Niva also absent. Noor, Parvati, Renon, Shahan?
Present, ma'am.
Absent. Sneha? Wasim, Shreya. Shreya, present, no? Shreya?
Wasim is present.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, children. Bye. Thank
Ma'am,
you.
Suraj told she is not well.
Ma'am, I am here.
What happened, Suraja? What happened?
No. No, she told